Here's the main shaft. That's right where it comes through the main drive gear, where it comes through in the case. Right where it comes through there, where the kicker pinion would sit, I'm guessing. And then there's some wear on the main drive gear and a chip in a couple of spots. Not ideal. The bearing inside is shot, and then the bearing on the other side is shot as well. Both of them are notched or ratcheted. Feel real gritty when you turn it over. You can really see it there in the light.